Ladies and gentlemen, today, I want to talk to you about the importance of a comprehensive cybersecurity study path. Cybersecurity has become required in our increasingly interconnected world, with a growing demand for skilled professionals. To embark on a successful career in cybersecurity, it is essential to follow a structured and comprehensive study path covering this field's fundamental aspects. Ultimately, the choice of study path depends on your learning style, goals, and resources available. It's crucial to continuously update your knowledge, stay informed about industry trends, and adapt your study path as new technologies and threats emerge in cybersecurity. Remember to leverage online courses, forums, professional communities, and industry events to enhance your learning journey and stay connected with the cybersecurity community. When it comes to comprehensive cybersecurity study paths, there are different approaches you can take to cover the various domains and aspects of the field which we will discuss in the next video, but let us start with the basics. Understanding cybersecurity's fundamental concepts and principles is crucial, which can be achieved through online tutorials, introductory courses, or books covering cybersecurity basics. Next, we move on to network and systems fundamentals, which involve learning about computer networks, operating systems, and protocols. You must familiarize yourself with networking concepts such as IP addressing, subnetting, and routing. Understanding the basics of Windows and Linux operating systems, including file systems, user management, and command line interfaces, is also essential. Cryptography is another vital aspect of cybersecurity. It is the backbone of secure communication and data protection. You must dive into the world of cryptography and learn about encryption algorithms, digital signatures, public key infrastructure, PKI, and cryptographic protocols. Web application security is an area that requires specific attention. Understanding the security aspects of web applications is crucial. You should learn about common web vulnerabilities, such as cross-site scripting, XSS, and SQL injection, and understand how to secure web applications through secure coding practices, input validation, and access controls. Moving on, network security plays a vital role in protecting systems and data. Exploring network security technologies and techniques is essential. It would help if you learned about firewalls, intrusion detection/prevention systems, IDS/IPS, virtual private networks, VPNs, and network segmentation. Understanding network security protocols like secure socket layer/transport layer security, SSL/TLS, and IPsec is crucial. Securing operating systems is another critical aspect of cybersecurity. You need to develop an understanding of access controls, authentication mechanisms, file system permissions, and secure configuration practices for both Windows and Linux systems. In the world of cybersecurity, malware is a significant threat. Therefore, gaining knowledge of malware analysis and reverse engineering techniques is vital. It would help if you learn to analyze and detect malware, identify its behavior, and understand its code. Exploring tools and techniques cybersecurity professionals use for malware analysis will be beneficial. When security incidents occur, it is essential to have skills in incident response and forensics. Acquiring the ability to detect, respond to, and mitigate security incidents is crucial. Understanding the processes involved in collecting and analyzing digital evidence and the legal and ethical aspects of digital forensics is vital. Secure software development practices are of utmost importance. Understanding secure coding principles, common software vulnerabilities, and techniques for secure software design and testing is crucial. Comprehending the software development life cycle, SDLC, and how security can be integrated at each stage is essential. As organizations increasingly adopt cloud computing, cloud security becomes a critical area of focus. Exploring the security challenges and best practices in cloud computing is essential. Learning about cloud service models, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, security controls in cloud environments, and how to assess and mitigate cloud-related risks is crucial. Wireless and mobile security cannot be overlooked in today's mobile-first world. Understanding the security implications of wireless networks and mobile devices is vital. Learning about Wi-Fi security protocols, mobile application vulnerabilities, and techniques for securing wireless networks and mobile devices is essential. Governance, risk, and compliance are essential components of effective cybersecurity. Knowledge of governance frameworks, risk management methodologies, and compliance regulations is crucial. Understanding how to assess and manage cybersecurity risks, develop security policies and procedures, and comply with relevant regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS is equally essential. Professional certifications are highly recommended to demonstrate your expertise and enhance your credibility in the field. Certifications such as Certified Ethical Hacker, CEH, Certified Information Systems Security Professional CISP, Certified Cloud Security Professional, CCSP, and others will validate your skills and knowledge. Additionally, explore additional certifications based on your specific interests and career goals, such as Certified Information Security Manager, CISM, Certified Information Systems Auditor, CISA, Offensive Security Certified Professional, OSCP, or Certified Cloud Security Specialist, CCSS, can further enhance your professional profile. However, learning in the field of cybersecurity doesn't stop with certifications. Continuous learning and industry involvement are critical. Cybersecurity is rapidly evolving, and staying updated with the latest trends, technologies, and threats is essential. Engage in continuous learning through industry blogs, podcasts, webinars, and conferences. Join cybersecurity communities, forums, and professional organizations to network with experts and stay informed about industry developments. While theoretical knowledge is valuable, practical experience is equally important. Seek opportunities to gain practical experience through cybersecurity-related projects, internships, or entry-level positions. Applying your knowledge in real-world scenarios, working alongside experienced professionals, and developing hands-on skills will significantly enhance your cybersecurity expertise. Consider specializing in a specific domain based on your interests and career goals. Cybersecurity offers various areas to specialize in, such as network security, incident response, digital forensics, secure software development, or cloud security. Acquiring advanced knowledge and skills in your chosen specialization will make you a valuable asset in the cybersecurity industry. Professional development and leadership are essential aspects of a cybersecurity career. As you progress, seek opportunities for advanced training programs, pursue higher education in cybersecurity, and aim for leadership positions where you can contribute to the strategic direction of cybersecurity initiatives within organizations. Leadership roles will allow you to make a significant impact and shape the future of cybersecurity. Lastly, ethics and ethical considerations play a vital role in the cybersecurity profession. Understand the ethical implications and responsibilities associated with cybersecurity. Familiarize yourself with ethical hacking guidelines, privacy concerns, and legal considerations. Uphold ethical practices and promote ethical behavior in cybersecurity to maintain trust and integrity. In conclusion, a comprehensive cybersecurity study path covers various domains and aspects of the field. By following this path, gaining knowledge, obtaining certifications, acquiring practical experience, and continuously learning, you will build a strong foundation for a successful career in cybersecurity. Remember that cybersecurity is a dynamic and ever-changing field, so stay adaptable and open to learning as new technologies and threats emerge. Embrace the challenges, be curious, and continuously strive for excellence in pursuing a secure digital world. Thank you. Thanks for watching.